might need to stop using homemade laundry detergent. Hi everybody, welcome to Living Traditions Homestead. My name is Sarah, and I want to talk with you about something. I wish that I could have you all over in the kitchen and we could each sit down with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, whichever it is that you like, iced tea, regular tea, whatever, and talk about this because I feel like I need to talk to my homestead friends about this topic. You may know that I make most of the body products and most of the cleaning products that we use here on the homestead, including laundry detergent. And I actually have a video of me making laundry detergent and teaching people how to make that. I'll put a link to that video up here, but it may be obsolete soon. I came across a lady at the health food store in town, and we were talking about homemade laundry detergent because actually I was hoping maybe I could sell mine there. And she said, oh, I stopped using homemade laundry detergent because it's actually really bad for your clothes, and it's bad for your washer, and it's bad for you. And I'll be honest with you that, I didn't really say much to her, but I got kind of defensive inside. Because for like 5 years I've been making, and our family has been using homemade laundry detergent. And so she gave me a website link to a blog post, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to link to that blog post in the description below, and I'll probably pin a comment, that it it explains why using homemade laundry detergent may not be good for us, and why using a commercial detergent, now I'm not saying Tide or all of those detergents that have all of those chemicals in it, but maybe one that is all natural, that has plant-based surfactants, that might be better for us and better for our washing machines. Now I want to tell you a little bit about the information on the blog and this blogger's argument against homemade laundry detergent and for a natural detergent made by a company. And now before I go further, I don't know this blogger. I don't even remember her name. We're not friends. I haven't contacted her or anything. But I really felt that this topic was important for us homesteaders who are trying to do so much for ourselves. I'm interested in your opinion after we talk about this. I want to know if you've switched away from homemade laundry detergent, or if you really are finding success with homemade laundry detergent, how long you've been using it, and those kinds of things, because I'm concerned about this. I want to talk to you about her argument against homemade laundry soap and for commercial detergent. The primary issue with the homemade soap is with the soap portion of homemade laundry soap. Now, homemade laundry soap is generally made with some kind of water softener, which it could be borax or baking soda or washing soda. I use washing soda. So that's one part, and then the other part is soap, whether that's homemade soap, like a Castile soap, or just like a bar soap from the store. Some people also put in like a laundry booster like OxyClean, but not everybody does. So it's the soap portion that is a problem with homemade soap, according to this blogger. And apparently, in the process of creating soap, you mix a fat or oil with lye, and the process is called saponification, and that's when you get soap. Well, apparently when you use soap in a laundry detergent, it will stick to the dirt within your clothes, but it doesn't mix well with the water so that the dirt and the soap can be rinsed out of your laundry. And as a result of that, it sticks in your clothes, and then it attracts bacteria, it attracts dirt, and it doesn't clean those out, and the scents and the bacteria and all of that grimy stuff sticks to your clothes. Now, not only does it stick to your clothes, apparently, but it also sticks to your washer. And you can't get it out of all the nooks and crannies, and in the end, it can ruin your washer. Now, what she claims is that soap is a good cleaner for surfaces that are not porous. So your counter, your bathtub, and those kinds of things, that it's great in an area where you can scrub it clean on a non-porous surface. But when it comes to porous surfaces and all the nooks and crannies of fabric, you're not able to get that out of your clothes with a standard washing machine. Now, in the old days, when our great-grandmas and our great-great-grandmas were washing clothes, they really kind of beat the tar out of the clothes. They used soap, and they were able to effectively wash their clothes, but it's because of the agitation and all the scrubbing that allowed them to, number one, get them so clean, and number two, to rinse them out appropriately. So now let's move over to laundry detergents. Now, detergents in general are made through a pretty complex process. And so I was like, okay, well, I'll just make that complex process at home and make my own detergent. Well, it seems like it's such a complex process that it can't be done at home. That's according to this blogger. Maybe she's wrong. I hope she is. If someone knows how to make it, let me know. But apparently, the surfactants that are used in detergent, either a synthetic surfactant or a natural vegetable-based surfactant, they go through, they're put through really, really high heat, and then there are other chemical processes revolved around it that turn into super cleaning detergent chemicals that not only bind to the dirt and the oil and the smells and all that kind of stuff, but it's also water soluble enough to carry those things away and to get them out of your laundry and to carry them away in the rinse water without all of that needed agitation. Now, as you're probably aware, washing machines, over time have gotten more and more gentle on your clothes so that your clothes don't wear out as fast. And it's because of that that soaps just aren't working in our washing machines. And detergents are working better on our clothes. They're taking out bacteria and smell and all those kinds of things, grime and yucca stuff, and they're not ruining our washers. So now, kind of full disclosure for you guys, after talking with this person at the health food store about it, and I read this article, and now there's a lot of other things that are worth reading in this article, and I really hope that you go there. Don't just take my word for it. Go and read it and, study up on it, do research. But after I talked with her, I switched to a commercially made, all-natural, vegetable-based detergent. I kind of feel like my clothes and stuff are getting cleaner. They don't look dingy. We're really hard on our clothes here. We get dirty. We get, blood on our clothes from processing animals, and we're working in the garden. We just get sweaty and stuff. And I was starting to feel like the homemade laundry detergent just wasn't cutting it, and not getting out the scent and stuff over time. And so I was kind of starting to get worried about that. And so I've since switched, and I feel like it's better. I'm so sad to have that happen. I really want to be able to make all of these things for my family. But it seems like maybe I've made the switch back to a commercial yet natural detergent. But you guys, I want to hear from you. I want to hear from you about what you think about this. Maybe I'm just using the wrong kind of homemade soap. The soap that I make is high in olive oil. It's very close to a Castile soap, so maybe it's just not the right kind. Maybe I need to switch to another kind of homemade soap. So I want to hear from you guys. Go read the article. Tell me what you think. Should we as homesteaders be switching away from homemade laundry soap and switching back to maybe an all-natural commercial detergent? So you guys, food for thought. I'm so glad that you stopped by to hear what I had to say. I really want to hear from you. Now, if this is the first time that you are visiting our channel, welcome. And while you're here, now is a good time to hit the subscribe button below. Please comment below and share this video. This is an important topic for homesteaders and for other people who are trying to live a more simple, healthy, homemade, handmade kind of life, okay? So until next time, you guys, thanks so much for stopping by the homestead. Take care and God bless.